सर ने ये होमवर्क दिया तो था ओवन का, मोनोटोनिसिटी का ओवन, बट मैंने किया नहीं, मतलब मन नहीं किया ये करने का। मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि डायरेक्ट PYQs ही करूँगा ये सब का। बहुत मतलब आई हैव बेटर थिंग्स टू डू, आई गेस लाइक। और ऐसे आज रैंडमली 2023 का ये रैंडम PYQ वो किया, उठा के उसको एक बना रहा था, तो उसका फिज़िक्स और केमिस्ट्री किया सिर्फ, और मतलब सही तो लगा। जितना बनाया उसमें से काफ़ी सही सही हुआ, मतलब गलत कम ही हुआ। जितना अभी तक मैंने सिलेबस किया है उसके हिसाब से, जैसे फ़िज़िक्स में 8 क्वेश्चन का पढ़ा था मैंने, तो 8 के 8 में से 6 सही हो गया, 2 गलत हुआ। आई वाज लाइक ओके, इतना प्रेशर लेने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। आई मीन मतलब आई कैन बी चिल अ लिल, बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं, ये मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं किया, थोड़ा बहुत किया। तो मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि लाइक बिना वो किए 50 मार्क्स तो ऐसे ही बन गए। मैथ्स तो अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किया, ऐसे ही देख रहा था क्योंकि मस्त थी। तो फिज़िक्स केमिस्ट्री जोड़ के 50, crazy stuff man, like I can't wait to complete whole of the syllabus and start doing mock test and you know like the actual mock, like the last stage। तो वैसे तो ये है कि ये हो जाए तो अब लगता है कि अब आगे वाला जल्दी से हो, फेज़ आए, मतलब आगे हो। वेल इट्स a human tendency though, बट स्टिल रेलेवेंट भी तो वही है, वही मॉक टेस्ट जो एक्चुअल आए हैं और वही PYQs। तो आई मीन इट्स रीज़नेबल नहीं जस्टिफिकेशन। तो अभी टाइम वाइम हो रहा है 1 बज के नहीं, हाँ 1:15। I might will just go gym now, and then after coming I'll try to do like physics में what I'll tell you if I do. So I have a broken tripod which I have to like join. यहाँ से ही टूट गया। देखते हैं, जिम में एक ग्लू गन रखा हुआ था, भैया से देखते। Let me tell you all some of my very basic agenda while training. Apparently, like first of all, I have shifted my schedule to an upper lower split. Like if you are following fitness scene over the world even a little, you might will know that it's in trending and shit. So but I have very my customized type of routine. So I won't tell the exact routine and exercise, but I'll say the agendas. So my primal goal is to do 3 or 2 compound exercise per session, where I'll just first of all warm up nicely, and then I'll do a light set, say warm up set of the exercise I have to go hard in the next set, and then I'll do the hard set. And the warm up set is something which is very overcomplicated by this new generation, so I must clarify by my side, by my perspective, that it is something you have to keep very light, not very light, it should be medium, that you are very easily able to balance it, control it, and leave it, like end the set uh, in 2 RIR or 3 RIR or max to max 1 IRR, 1 RIR. That means like RIR means reps in reserve. Like if you're feeling that I could have done 2 more, just stop there. That's 2 RIR. Yeah. And what I'm doing right now in the screen is some stupidity. I thought that I can squat the 30 it's at the 75 kgs very easily, but I failed in third rep itself. So I then shifted to 20 each side and then did the main set, which you'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much. And my goal is to um, enjoy the diverse exercises, the diverse patterns, even though I'll be just training um, my back, chest, quads, and hamstring only, but still, like, there's a sort of enjoyment when you do different exercises and you tend to master them. So that's what I'm saying, and that's very necessary though, like to have a fun factor in your gym session. If any one of y'all is mesmerized by my physique, which I suppose, then don't be in the delusion that I'm just eating rice and the most Indian diet in a very um, decent household. Like, don't think that I built this up with that only. I I've done lots of dieting experiments over myself, and this is just a result of that. And I'm taking creatine um, since last what uh, it's about from 2024 onset of winters. So basically 1 whole year, like more than 1.5 year. I mean, 12, 6, 18, about 20 months, like about 20 months since I'm taking. But could I have afford or like take creatine before even that? Yes, because I have trained 1.5 years even before taking creatine. But I knew that I have to be worthy to take it. So I took it only when I had every other factors on point. Basically, creatine is cherry on the top, and to put the cherry, you have to build the cake first. Cake here means whole body. Man, I'm eating after the gym and after solving like about 10 question of O2 exercise. Let me like show you for the reference. It's like O2 exercise of magnetic, like crazy. O2 is crazy for conception, and and it asks you the core of chapter. Pretty good. I mean, yeah. So I did that in like what 30 minutes, uh 35 minutes, yeah, like, and I'll eat and just go coaching you.
Sweet potato, almost bigger than हथेली हथेली